These are all the data structures you need to know if you're starting out in software engineering. Obviously, there's precursor knowledge and object-oriented programming and memory management that you should know before you move on to data structures, but today we're going to focus on data structures. Now, there's ones in green that look friendly, and there's ones in yellow that look a little less friendly. And today we're going to focus on the ones in green because they are, number one, easier to understand, and number two, they will let you take on the vast majority of personal and professional projects in software engineering. Arrays are an ordered collection of things called elements. And because they're ordered, you can access each element in an array by its index or position. That's very important. A set is a collection of elements that are guaranteed to be unique. So sets are a great way to keep track of things when you don't want to repeat an operation. Next, we have maps, which are basically key value pairs, where in order to access the value, you have to have the key. And remember, you can only use things that are hashable as keys to a map. For example, a list in Python can grow indefinitely and therefore is not hashable, but a tuple, which is immutable, is hashable. Stacks and queues are also collections of elements, but the key thing to remember is how you add to these collections and how you're allowed to remove from these collections. A stack is a last in, first out data structure, which means that the last thing you've added to a stack is the only thing you can remove from the stack. Queues, on the other hand, are first in, first out, which means that the very first thing you added to the queue is the only thing you can remove from the queue.